This is your basic tub drain removal tool. And these are good if you have a situation where your tub drain still has the T-bar intact. If you run into a situation where it's broken, I do recommend a different kind of tub drain removal tool. If you go to my channel, you can see which one I use. Basically, it'll slide right inside. You'll use your ratchet set and you'll just basically remove it. But because this one still has a T-bar, we can go ahead and use this tub drain removal tool. Now we're going to install the new tub drain. These actually come with a gasket, so you do not have to use plumber's putty. When you are tightening it, I basically just like to tighten it with my hand. You don't want any cross threading. Once you work it in with your hand, then you go ahead and use your tub drain tool to go ahead and fasten it. Once you're finished, go ahead and install your new tub drain. You can see the threading right there. Put it right inside, just twist it on. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.